cars can't even pass. It's getting really deep and it's raining really hard. This happens every 5 minutes every day. It's been happening already for 3 days. So y'all can see it's already flooded over here. If we look a little bit that way, you can see that there is a car stuck right there. There's a lot of people over there stuck trying to get help. People walking towards over here trying to get help or something like that, looking for shelter, I guess. And it looks pretty deep because it's covering their feet over there. And as more it rains, as more deeper it's gonna get.
Hurricane Harvey has damaged Houston a lot. It has done flash floods, tornadoes. There's been tornadoes in Katy, everywhere. And we can't go out of the house, so if not, our car might get stuck in the water. I'm pretty sure over there it's 10 feet. You should get sandbags if like there's water can come in your house, so you should get sandbags. And as you can see, I'm close there. You might think that's 1 feet, but it's not. It's 10 whole feet. So even a trailer can get stuck there. So if I were you, I wouldn't walk there.
It's so you can stay safe. You can be at your house, or if you can't be at your house, I mean you're very close to another house, you can go even to your friend's house if it's very close. But I don't even want y'all to go there because you can drown. And you saw those people over there walking and they almost had to drown, but they didn't drown. But please, if you can drown over there, you might even like get yourself under the water, and there might even be animals over there. So even if you're in a car, it can drown. So please don't be over there, please. So if you need some help, call 911, and I just want you to be safe so you cannot drown and you cannot get animals. There might be animals in here, so please don't go out there. Take a little swim into the water. Bye bye. Guys, I was just kidding. Never jump on water like this when it's on the street like this or anywhere, because it has bacteria, it has animals, it has dirty stuff that can get you sick for a very long time.